Imagine struggling every day just to rise from a chair with your muscles screaming in protest, a reality many seniors over 70 face, and it becomes even more alarming when you reach 88 like John, who once could barely stand without pain dominating every movement, a situation that not only threatens independence, but sets the stage for a cascade of health issues including weakened bones, higher risk of falls, and even mental stress as your body begins to dictate what you can and cannot do. What transformed John's life was discovering a protein more potent than eggs, a protein that science confirms can rebuild aging muscles far more effectively, improving strength, flexibility, and endurance in ways eggs alone cannot. Because while eggs deliver high-quality protein, they lack certain compounds vital for muscle regeneration and inflammation reduction, leaving seniors exposed to gradual muscle decline and fatigue. Whereas the protein John embraced engages the body's natural pathways to reverse age-related muscle loss, offering a practical, evidence-based opportunity for anyone over 70 to regain the vigor, resilience, and confidence of a body decades younger, a crucial edge for maintaining independence, energy, and quality of life well into the 80s and beyond. As I delved deeper into John's journey, it became clear that the real secret to his dramatic transformation was not merely eating more protein, but choosing the right kind of protein, one that targets aging muscles in ways that eggs alone simply cannot. And this is where many seniors unknowingly fall short, relying on traditional sources like eggs or chicken which, while providing protein, lack the unique compounds needed to reduce inflammation, stimulate muscle repair, and enhance strength effectively, leaving older adults vulnerable to slow muscle loss, diminished mobility, and an increased risk of falls. What science now shows is that there are 6 specific proteins capable of not only halting age-related muscle decline, but actively rebuilding muscles to improve flexibility, endurance, and overall metabolic function. And the first of these, lentils, is an unexpected hero, a modest plant-based protein often overlooked because it does not fit the traditional image of strength food, yet it delivers an extraordinary combination of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that nourish the gut microbiome, produce anti-inflammatory compounds, and activate the body's natural muscle-building pathways, enabling seniors to regain strength and energy in ways eggs alone could never achieve, giving anyone over 70 a scientifically proven advantage in maintaining independence, vitality, and confidence in daily life. When I first introduced John to lentils, he was skeptical, believing that a simple legume could ever match eggs or meat in building strength. But the transformation was remarkable, because a single cup of cooked lentils delivers approximately 18 grams of protein without any fat or cholesterol, and it provides 16 grams of fiber that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which then produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid scientifically shown to reduce inflammation, improve nutrient utilization in muscles, and boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 30%, a process researchers refer to as the gut-muscle axis, meaning a healthy gut directly translates into stronger, more resilient muscles. And lentils are also packed with nearly 90% of the daily folate necessary for new protein creation at the DNA level, about 1/3 of daily iron, and even more potassium than bananas, all of which help prevent muscle fatigue, enhance oxygen delivery, and reduce cramps, while compounds like lysine and polyphenols support collagen production, repair muscle fibers, and combat inflammation, turning lentils into far more than just a protein source, but a complete tool for seniors to rebuild and sustain muscle strength, increase energy, and maintain independence and confidence well into their 70s and 80s, demonstrating that sometimes the simplest, most unassuming foods can surpass traditional protein sources, like eggs, when it comes to preserving and enhancing aging muscles. The second protein that became a cornerstone of John's recovery was hemp seeds, tiny, versatile seeds that many seniors overlook because they do not resemble traditional protein sources, yet they provide a remarkable combination of nutrients, ideally suited for aging muscles. And I must stress that ignoring them could lead to slower recovery, persistent muscle soreness, and a gradual loss of strength, because just 3 tablespoons deliver approximately 10 grams of complete protein, primarily in the form of albumin and adenosine, proteins almost identical to those in human blood that are absorbed rapidly and efficiently, a crucial advantage for seniors whose digestion tends to slow with age. Beyond protein, hemp seeds contain a perfectly balanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, significantly reducing inflammation compared to eggs, which often have a much higher ratio, and they are rich in gamma-linolenic acid, a rare fat that can cut muscle soreness nearly in half, arginine, which opens blood vessels and enhances nutrient delivery to muscles, and an abundance of minerals including magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, all working synergistically to support muscle recovery, energy production, and overall health, making hemp seeds a simple, scientifically validated, and natural protein that seniors can easily incorporate into their daily routine to maintain strength, reduce discomfort, and move with confidence every day. The third protein that became indispensable in John's journey to reclaim his strength was wild salmon, a nutrient-rich fish that many seniors tend to underestimate. Yet it delivers a remarkable combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats that together act like both fuel and lubrication for aging muscles. And I need to stress that ignoring salmon could lead to slower muscle repair, weaker joints, and reduced energy levels, because a single serving provides approximately 22 grams of complete protein, omega-3 fatty acids that make muscle cell membranes more flexible and responsive to growth signals, and natural compounds such as astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that protects mitochondria, selenium, which supports enzyme production to combat oxidative stress, vitamin D to enhance muscle function, and even a modest amount of creatine capable of increasing muscle power by 5 to 15%, all of which work synergistically to activate the mTOR pathway, essentially flipping the switch on protein synthesis so that the nutrition you consume is used to rebuild muscles rather than being wasted, offering seniors a scientifically validated approach to restore strength, maintain mobility, and sustain energy in daily life in ways eggs alone could never achieve. The fourth protein that truly accelerated John's journey to regain his muscle strength was whey protein, a fast-absorbing protein that delivers amino acids to the bloodstream almost instantly, a critical advantage for seniors who often face slower digestion and delayed muscle repair. And I need to stress that neglecting whey could mean missing the window to rebuild strength, reduce fatigue, and protect your muscles, because a single scoop provides nearly 3 grams of leucine, the amino acid that serves as the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Along with other branched-chain amino acids like isoleucine and valine that shield muscle tissue and provide rapid energy, while unique peptides in whey work to modulate inflammation and regulate insulin, ensuring that the protein you consume is efficiently utilized by your muscles rather than being stored as fat, making whey a scientifically validated, fast-acting, and highly effective protein that surpasses eggs in both speed and potency for seniors determined to restore strength, maintain energy, and improve overall muscle health. The fifth protein that became essential to John's nighttime muscle recovery was cottage cheese, a slow-digesting protein rich in casein that delivers a steady stream of amino acids to muscles over 6 to 8 hours, and I need to stress that skipping cottage cheese before bed could allow your muscles to break down overnight, slowing repair and contributing to gradual strength loss, because unlike whey, which acts rapidly, casein provides continuous nourishment while you sleep, and it comes packed with critical nutrients such as selenium, calcium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus, all of which support muscle contraction, energy production, and overall muscle health and studies show that seniors who consume cottage cheese before bedtime can maintain or even build muscle during sleep, offering a scientifically validated method to wake up stronger, more energized, and ready to move confidently throughout the day, protecting against the quiet but relentless decline that comes with aging. The sixth and final protein that became transformative in John's journey was seitan, also known as wheat meat, a plant-based protein that often surprises seniors with its remarkable ability to support muscle growth. And I must stress that neglecting this protein could mean missing a high-quality, easily digestible source of nourishment that your muscles desperately need, because just 100 grams provide approximately 39 grams of protein, matching beef in protein content, but without the heavy fat, cholesterol, or digestive strain, making it ideal for older adults. And it is naturally low in saturated fat, while delivering essential minerals such as plant-based iron, which when combined with vitamin C-rich foods like peppers or broccoli, maximizes absorption to efficiently deliver oxygen to muscles, supporting strength, endurance, and overall energy. And scientific studies confirm that seniors who include plant-based proteins like seitan in their diet maintain significantly higher muscle mass compared to those relying primarily on animal proteins, offering a safe, versatile, and evidence-based solution for maintaining muscle, reducing inflammation, and sustaining mobility, independence, and confidence well into advanced age, proving that muscle loss after 70 is not inevitable when you choose the right proteins.